Hello everybody, welcome back to Web2App. In today's video, I will show you how to use Microsoft Copilot in Word or Excel. First of all, you must be logged in Microsoft 365 school or work mail, which includes Copilot license. First of all, open Microsoft 365 in your browser or the app itself. Then go to your Word document. If Copilot is available, you will see the Copilot icon in the toolbar. If available, click on it to open the Assist. In Word, you can ask Copilot to write documents, summarize or reports, whereas in Excel, you can ask it to create tables, analyze data or generate formulas. Copilot will automatically generate results that you can edit and customize. And that's it. That's how you can use Microsoft Copilot in Word and Excel. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.